Hey everybody, and today we're going to be covering some UV texturing tips and tricks for Modo and Photoshop. So I'm sure some of you have hit that brick wall where you model something really nice and you have no fucking idea what to do, and you texture it, it takes for fucking ever. Please, YouTube, don't demonetize my video. Okay, so we're gonna go through that today. So this is a laser rifle that I modeled some months ago. And let's head into the UV edit layout. So let's select the main barrel. Okay, so as you can see, I originally modeled it like one half of it, and then I mirrored the other side, and so yeah, that's the UV layout. So what I did originally was so I laid out all of these UVs, then I saved a separate... Hey Muffin, hello. Yes, Muffin. Come on. Say hello to the cat. Come on, Muffin. Okay, what was I saying? And then what I did was that I saved a mirrored version of the UVs. They weren't strictly speaking mirrored though, so I worked on each one painstakingly, and I wasted so much time. Like, I couldn't flip it. I couldn't flip the textures in Photoshop. I should have. Like, that's what I wanted to do, but that's not what happened. So yeah, I wasted a whole heap of time, and I'll show you. So yeah, those are it. That's the mirrored one. That's the original. So don't waste time. Like, don't waste time on individually detailing or copying and pasting. It's painful. It's really painful. Don't do it. Okay. So if you're like, if you want a streamlined, fast way to texture a hard surfaced object, then yeah, what was I gonna say? So yeah, you go with this, go with the whole mirrored setup, and you select your mirrored item, and then you copy it over to this mesh here. And then once it's in that mesh, then you go ahead and you go flip U, flip V, until it's appropriately mirrored. Wait, no, I forgot. No, you go unwrap first again, and UV projection, then pack UVs. So we turn off that, we go 10% based on bounding box, stacked, and nearest. Or just cancel that because that's not what we're going to do. But yeah, that's what you would do. And then you go flip U and flip V until it is appropriately mirrored. Then you cut the mesh, you put it back in the mesh layer, and then you save your EPS file. Okay, what we're going to do is that we're just going to save this, export UVs to EPS. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it. You can do it whatever way you want. You can like save the entirety of your mesh as one giant UV map. That depends on what you're using the model for. So if you're using it for a game, putting in a game engine is gonna like have all these rigged things on it. You're going to want multiple UV maps. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna be horrible. Let's see now. Where was I? Yeah. Dodgy memory. I'm hungry. Rifle. Rifle. Main gun. Yeah. Okay, so I save it as 4096K, 4K, and texture export. Okay, and I do the same with this one. Gun mirrored. Okay, and here's a tip for dealing with like small mesh items. Yes.
This one.
So yeah, I just got interrupted. So for smaller mesh items, you don't need as much resolution. So you can go down to say, let's save this. So what was it? Let's see. Trigger brace mirror. Yes. Let's go down by at least half. So 2K. 2048. And that way it'll save you on your graphics card. Otherwise, like I found that if you go completely 4K everything, it will not be happy at all. Like it will not even, like, it won't render. It's just a waste of computing power. Okay, we've started recording again. As you can see, I've opened up the UVs in Photoshop. I've applied a purple stroke so that I can actually see the UV bounds. Okay, let's get into it. So we're gonna make this mainly grayscale so that the color schemes can be, yes, cat. So the color schemes can be altered, can be adjusted. So people like having the ability to change the color scheme, just as I do. What am I doing? I don't have to do that. Just have to select this. Shift I. Okay. Let's get started. So I'm going to go with yours 50% gray. That'll do it. 50. There. Okay, now let's copy this. It's going to be an experiment. Control duplicate layer to there. So you can see that's like, yeah, it's completely roundy. And yeah, never mind. Great. As you can see, I made the mistake that yeah, the stroke is visible. It looks kind of cool, but still, I did it wrong. Okay, we're back in Modo, and I discovered that I should have also went with symmetritize UVs. So, symmetritize along the plane that you're using in this case. This mesh is along the Z plane, so you symmetritize to the Z, and you go line to symmetry axis. You click OK. Then those issues should be fixed. It's just a bit of a learning process, since I'm somewhat new to texturing. I'm really good at modeling, but texturing is a bit, yeah, I'm still learning. Okay, I'm back. I cried, I'm tired. So let's make this part 1, and we will be dealing with some texture painting next. I will cover that. Meanwhile, see you later.